Hello, my name is Brian Leigh from BT Leigh Sauces and Rubs. Today we're in our commercial kitchen to teach you how to make this bacon wrapped pork tenderloin using the Clevelander, our award-winning mustard maple rosemary Cleveland, Ohio style barbecue sauce, and our Somethin for Rubbin, which is a sweet and savory all-purpose barbecue rub. We will be smoking this bad boy over pecan wood, and let's get cooking.
For this step, you'll need the sauce, the rub, and some toothpicks. Begin by liberally coating the pork tenderloin with the Clevelander sauce. This will help the rub adhere to the meat. Don't be shy with the rub. Be sure to coat the tenderloin as much as possible. To form the bacon weave, lay out 7 strips of bacon next to each other. Fold every other strip of bacon in half and place a strip of bacon across it. Fold the bacon strips over the horizontal piece and repeat until you have a solid weave. I suggest you use similar sized strips of thin sliced bacon for this step. Using a thin sliced bacon will create more of a crusty exterior as the bacon renders down. If you want more of a chewy exterior, use thick sliced bacon. Apply some Clevelander to the weave. This will help the rub melt into the tenderloin as it rests. You can use your hands, you can use a brush. There really is no wrong way to do this. Place the tenderloin at the bottom of the lattice and tightly roll the tenderloin up until the ends of the bacon are visible. Be careful not to break your lattice during this step. Once it's started, it should go easy. Secure the bacon weave to the tenderloin with toothpicks.
So here we have our bacon wrapped tenderloin that has rested overnight. So the rubs can redistribute and do its work on the meat. We're gonna place this on the smoker. And be sure to set your thermometer. You want the internal temperature to reach 165 degrees before you remove this thing from the smoker. Once your pork tenderloin reaches about 145 degrees, you're going to want to start glazing it. You'll glaze it until it hits 165 degrees, which is a medium for pork. You want to continually glaze it about every 5 degrees or so to get that nice sticky appearance. Glazing is fairly simple. You just get in there and you start lacquering the meat with the barbecue sauce. The Clevelander marries perfectly with the pecan wood that's in here that we're using to smoke. Every so often, you're gonna wanna do this, about every 5 degrees. And in the end, you'll have this nice, sticky, shellacking glaze on the outside of it. It's 165 degrees. Our pork tenderloin is completely done. We've got the glaze all stickied up. Let's see what she looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. We're gonna take this sucker upstairs. We're gonna let it rest for at least 30 minutes so all the juices can come together and redistribute. And we'll go from there. After your meat has rested for no less than 30 minutes, it's time to cut into it. Be sure to remove all of the toothpicks because you don't want to have an unfortunate surprise. Normally, I would cut over on this, but I'm going to cut down the middle so you can see exactly what it looks like. Be sure to take your time when cutting this because you don't want the bacon to fall off. I prefer this cut in thin slices, but your mileage may vary. You can see this wonderful smoke ring around the pork, and the bacon has a nice sticky quality to it. I've been waiting for this all day. Bon appetit. Smoky, sweet, with hints of rosemary and thyme. Absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy my recipe.